What was the highest increase in value of any city in the 1 year over the period? So, the first thing we need to look at is for each of these cities, which ones are increasing and which are decreasing. We know that the combined GDP increases every time, so if we're looking for the highest increase in value, we need one of these that increases too. So we can see with Tokyo here, the actual share of GDP is increasing each time, for Los Angeles is decreasing each time, and for New York, we have that it also decreases each time. So the only one we're going to need to look at for this question is actually Tokyo. So first let's calculate the GDP for each year for Tokyo. The first thing we need to know is the percentage share. So in 2016, that's 40%, and then 44%, 46%, and 50%. Next, let's actually calculate the GDP for each of these years. So starting in 2016, we want 40% of this value here. 40% as a decimal is 0.40. So we'll multiply that by the amount of GDP here, that's 3,350 billion. And that gives us an answer of $1,340 billion. Now let's do that for each of the next 4 years, the next 3 years in turn, and then we can go to the next step. Next, we're looking for the highest increase in value from year to year. So for example, from 2016 to 2017, we'll take the 2017 value, take away the 2016 value to find the increase in the value for that year. So we're taking this number here and taking away this number, which gives us 169.2 billion. We'll do the same thing for the next 2 years. So we're going to do the same for 2018 to 2017, and the same for 2019 to 2018. So 2018 to 2017, we're going to take away these two numbers here, and that gives us 110 billion. And for 2019 to 2018, we're taking these two numbers away from each other, which gives 193.3 billion. The highest increase here is this number, and that's answer 2.